All right, check this shit out. So obviously caliper is completely seized. Piston is all the way out. It's never gonna go back in. This fucking asshole rode like that for so long that his rotor has a big fat lip right here, right? So that lip won't allow for the piston to come out, right? Fucking, I had to do this shit to get it out. Jesus Christ.